The race had already begun when we entered it. So we knew that to make a mark, we would need the speed of a sprinter. We entered the race in the year 1997. Since then, we have overtaken several large competitors to reach the $100 million mark in sales. Indeed, a scorching speed despite competing globally. Today, we are firmly into the race, but our strategies have changed a little. Presenting Rajat Pharma Chem Limited. Growth at the speed of a sprinter. Having made up for the lost time, our endeavor today is to emerge as a serious long-term player in the industry. Say, a runner who stays the distance. Like an athlete building up his body, we build up our presence in important medical therapies. Our presence in these categories helps us service our special relationship with the State Trading Corporation, worldwide better known as STC. Rajat has a long-term understanding with STC, India's premier public sector international trading company, with an annual sales turnover of almost 1,65,000 million rupees, equivalent to about $4 billion. Under the agreement, STC bids for large volume international contracts for supply of a range of drugs and formulations. Rajat Pharma Chem supplies these on a back-to-back contract basis. Rajat is a one-stop shop for STC. Products sold to the STC are for further delivery in different countries via institutions such as WHO, UNICEF, Red Cross, to name a few. Product quality approvals are obtained from international agencies, SGS, Cotecna, QCS, Lloyds. All sales to STC are deemed exports. Rajat has a strong presence in central and state government institutions, railways, defense, ESIS and many others. Rajat also has direct supply agreements with the governments of Mauritius and Sri Lanka. In the past 3 years, Rajat sales have increased from 30 million to $100 million. Rajat has an international presence in many countries. To fulfill the large volumes of demand for our products, Rajat acquired a state-of-the-art WHO GMP and ISO 9001 certified manufacturing facility at GIDC Ankleshwar. The plant was originally set up by Pfizer and is located on 18 acres of land. Later, we acquired the expertise in manufacturing effervescent tablets and powder. Few companies in the world offer this capability. Rajat also invests in ongoing research to improve production processes and to extend the shelf life of the brands. In any race, the fitness of the athlete determines his status. In our business, the quality of our manufacturing facility impacts our ability to compete with the world's best. Let us take a look at our manufacturing facilities. The manufacturing facilities are divided into the general manufacturing block and the effervescent formulations block. The layout conforms to the norms of pharmaceutical plant design. Adequate space is provided between all the utilities. The facilities provide adequate premises and ample space with separate service floor, service corridors and well-defined storage for raw materials and finished goods. The manufacturing facilities feature double air-lock doors with air curtains and independent air handling units. These areas are equipped with facilities for maintaining proper air differentials. The dust extraction systems are available at floor and ceiling levels to maintain dust-free manufacturing environment. The facilities feature changing rooms for personnel, appropriate ventilation with exhaust fans, and air handling units with HEPA filters to maintain class 100,000 areas. The entire primary manufacturing and packing areas have HVAC systems for temperature and humidity control. Demineralized water is supplied for manufacturing through stainless steel pumps and pipes after undergoing ultraviolet purification. The entire manufacturing process is governed by quality control and quality assurance systems. Both internal and external quality testing is undertaken to verify the purity of inputs as well as the compliance of the output to global standards. The test laboratories are equipped with the latest analytical instrumentation to maintain high levels of accuracy. We believe in marketing products that fulfill patients' needs and provide benefit in terms of therapeutic value, convenience, safety, and give full value for money. Rajat offers formulations in every dosage form. Effervescence technology is a unique and proven oral delivery system for pharmaceutical and nutraceutical products and have widespread use in USA and Europe. Very few companies worldwide have experience making effervescent tablets. Rajat has over 250 products in almost all major therapeutic segments. Rajat has a three-pronged strategy for future growth through research and development, market expansion, and personnel development. Rajat has made a beginning into research through biotechnology by firming up plans to set up an advanced research laboratory headed by a highly qualified team of scientists, researchers, and pharmacists. For market expansion, Rajat is already making big investments for registration of products in many countries across the globe, including developed countries like USA and European Union, besides CIS, Southeast Asian, Middle East, and African countries. Regular training and exposure to the best practices keep our staff enlightened and empowered. The staff members are amply supported by the management, who recognizes merit and rewards achievement. We work as a well-motivated team to ensure that we fulfill in letter and spirit our commitment to quality, price, timely shipments, and perfect documentation. The race we are running in never ends. Every lap has its victors and losers. And as a company, we are oriented to winning each lap. We began this race with a sprint. We have sustained our speed to reach the $100 million lap. Now, we are running the race with stamina for the $1,000 million lap. The board of directors include Mr. Inderjeet Arya, Mr. Kishore Kumar Arya, Mr. Anand Arya, Mr. K.K. Puri, Colonel R.S. Malik, Dr. K. Lahiri, Mr. Naveen Choksi. Rajat's mission is to provide society with international standard pharmaceutical and nutraceutical products that improve the quality of life and satisfy consumer needs, to provide employees with growth opportunities, and the investors with a superior rate of return without affecting nature. Rajat Pharma Chem, the speed of the sprinter, the stamina of the marathoner.